My house has a super special sofa, and guess what? We all want the best spot. You know, that one seat. It's not too warm, and it's not too chilly. The TV is super easy to see, and the cushion is just right. Soft like a cloud, but still squishy enough to help you sit up. My mommy loves to snuggle up with her books right there. Daddy says it's heat for TV time. And me, it's always a race to claim the seat. I think it's really lucky. It's the best. But lately, Mommy was getting a bit worried. Our best sofa spot was looking a little gross. There's this big yucky stain. We all think Daddy did it. The whole sofa just wasn't looking its best anymore. Mommy tried to fix it. First, she put pretty blankets, and she even tried pretty pillows. Our sofa looked like a giant pile of clothes that threw a party. Then she tried those stretchy covers, but they kept sliding around. They also bunched up and don't feel nice. Mommy did not like how messy it looked. But then, guess what? She found FlexiFit. It wasn't like the other covers. It felt super strong, but also really soft. First, Mommy puts our cushions right in the middle of the cover. Next, she folds the left side, then the right side. They all stick together like magic with little grabby bits. Then she pulls these crisscross straps to make the corner super neat. Finally, the top and bottom flaps fold over and stick down too. So simple! It made all the worn spots smooth and flat. No more sliding, no more bunches, no more weird feelings. Suddenly, our best seat was back, and now the whole sofa became the best seat. FlexiFit didn't just cover our sofa, it flexi-fixed it.